Hey everyone, if we are applying for jobs and want to stand out from other candidates, adding our LinkedIn profile link to our resume is a smart move. Our resume gives a summary of our skills and experience, while our LinkedIn profile gives employers a deeper look into our professional background, recommendations, and achievements. Today, we will show how to add a LinkedIn link to a resume and why this is important for building a strong professional image. Adding our LinkedIn link to the resume gives employers easy access to more detailed information about us. While our resume may be 1 or 2 pages, our LinkedIn profile can show our work history, certifications, projects, endorsements, and recommendations. Including our LinkedIn URL also shows we have a professional online presence. It helps employers check our background, learn more about our skills, and see our professional network. When we do this correctly, it adds credibility and can help us make a strong impression. Let's go through the steps together so everyone can follow along easily. First, we open our browser and go to linkedin.com, then log into our account. Once logged in, we continue with the tutorial. Now, once we log into our LinkedIn account, we go to our profile. To do this, we just click on our mini profile icon, usually called Me or View Profile. Once we are in our profile, we copy our profile link. Copy the link, and then we go to our resume in Microsoft Word or Excel. We just need to click to create a hyperlink in our resume. For example, if this is our username and we want to add our LinkedIn link, we create a hyperlink. To edit the hyperlink, we just need to select it and paste our LinkedIn link here. After pasting, we just click OK. Now, if we control-click the link in our resume, it will open our LinkedIn profile. That's how we add our LinkedIn link to our resume. Make sure our profile is updated, professional, and has a clean URL before including it. A well-prepared LinkedIn profile and a strong resume can help us improve our job applications.